Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the roaming clock options in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. What does it do? Roaming clock function displays our time depending on our location and time zone. By default it's turned on, but for whatever reason now it's turned off. So let's find a way to turn it on back again. Settings, and lock screen options here, and here we have our roaming clock. Simply turn it on by checking this little box. We have few options here. We can change time zone if we want, and that's it. Our roaming clock is now turned on. Our time will be displayed depending on our location. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.